When you're short of time, these loaded wedges make an ideal weekend lunch.
We're going to preheat the glass tray that comes with your Esco oven. This will give the potatoes a really crispy result on the bottom. You can use whatever type of seasoning you want. We've chosen to use a Tuscan seasoning here. Place your cut wedges in a single layer. This will give a more even cooking and even browning. You can choose whatever you like, but it definitely needs cheese. We've added bacon, but you can omit this if you're vegetarian. So we're just putting them back for a couple of minutes just to crisp up the bacon and melt the cheese. And then on top, a final dollop of sour cream and some herbs, or even chili sauce goes really well with these wedges.